When selecting a starting position for parking, remember that your car is less maneuverable when moving forward. It's helpful to keep a greater distance from the parking space, as this will make parking easier. The farther away you are, the more room you'll have to maneuver. First, find an available parking spot. Second, position your car on the road correctly. Keeping a greater distance from the parking space makes parking easier. Use the front bumper for guidance and slowly move forward until it aligns with the start of the parking space. Third, turn on your right signal to inform other drivers of your intentions. Check your side mirrors to ensure you're clear of obstacles. Turn your steering wheel fully to the right and slowly begin moving into the space. Keep turning until your car is aligned with the other parked vehicles. Once your car is parallel to them, straighten the wheels and continue moving forward. Well done, you did a good job.